Task 3 in the Aptis speaking exam also consists of 3 questions. This time it's all about comparing and contrasting. This is a task where you will have to put together everything I've told you about the speaking exam from the previous videos. Here are my 6 tips. Try describing both pictures at the same time. Don't waste too much time describing just one of the pictures, as you will probably get just half of the points. Number 2. Don't worry too much about unknowns. The topics you'll have to compare are probably familiar to you. Here are a few examples. 2 types of sports, like basketball and golf. 2 types of holidays, like summer and winter. 2 types of jobs, like scientist and miner. 2 types of homes, like apartments and houses. Number 3. To practice, try brainstorming the topics you've learned so far. For each, find 2 distinct things, like for hobbies, reading and bike riding. Try comparing and contrasting those. Find as many advantages and disadvantages, positives and negatives as you can. Number 4. Use as many expressions of comparison and contrast as possible. Here are a few examples. Use the comparative and superlative and lots of adjectives. Adjectives usually have 3 forms: positive, comparative, and superlative. Depending on how many syllables the adjective has, it will have the following forms. If the adjective has 1 syllable, like big, the comparative form will be bigger, and the superlative the biggest. If the adjective has more than 1 syllable, like interesting, in the comparative form, it will add more, as in more interesting than. In the superlative form, it will add most, as in the most interesting. Don't forget about than in the comparative and the in the superlative. And number 6, follow my 6 tips to describe pictures from my previous video.